Hey guys, so today I've got an unboxing video of this Samsung Galaxy J4 Core. It is not my new phone, but I got the pleasure of unboxing it, so here we go. The phone has actually already been activated at the store, so the seal is open, but I've not seen the rest of the contents, so let's take a look around the box. On the front, Samsung Galaxy J4 Core, Samsung warranty information. The top says Southeast Asia SIM card only. On the back, Samsung Galaxy J4 Core, 16GB, infinity display, LED front flash, 3300 milliamp battery, and the rest of the specs below. And below just some information. On the bottom, barcode, serial number, color, and all that. So let's take a look inside. There's a tab to pull. And there you go, the Samsung Galaxy J4 Core sitting right on top. It is the blue one, as you can see. Side, further inside, you have the quick start guide in English and Mandarin, regional lock, warranty card, and that's about it. You also get a pair of earphones, USB cable, SIM ejection tool, and the charger, which extends out like this, and if you want to pack it, just push it back down. The USB port is right behind. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this Samsung Galaxy J4 Core. Thanks for watching and goodbye.